Think of Launchpad as your pantry. When you make a recipe, you get all of the ingredients out. So, let's say my project involves my Google account, Gale resources, as well as Discovery Streaming. I need to get my Google open, go back to my pantry, my Launchpad, open my Gale, go back to my Launchpad, and then open my Discovery Streaming. So now I've got all of my resources open at the top. If I don't do that, when I need these things to work together, they're not going to realize that I'm logged in as me to each of them. So go back to your Launchpad pantry, get all of your ingredients one at a time, and when they're all up in the address bar, above the address bar, that's how to sign in. Here's an example of what could happen if you're not signed in to all your resources. So let's say you just signed into Discovery Education and you want to share this resource through your Google Classroom. So you clicked on the share button, you click on Google Classroom, and now it's asking you to sign in. No, don't do that. Go back to Launchpad. Get your Google open. Oh yeah, gotta sign in. Now that my Google's open, when I go back here, click Share, Google Classroom, and it says, I know who you are, come on in. You don't have to sign in all crazy. You choose your class, blah, blah, blah. So that's the reason you want to have all of your resources open. Start out in Launchpad, get all your ingredients. Each one will be a tab at the top. If it's not working and it's asking you to sign in, that's what was the issue.